Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and boosting collaboration. In this video, we'll dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace game. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into gemini.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Gemini.ai is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. Within Google Workspace, by integrating Gemini.ai with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email management, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams work faster and more effectively. So to get started, all I have to do is just click over Chat with Gemini, and then you will find other page, which is this one. So then you find this page. As you can see here, we have the teams and the privacy. Here we have your data and Gemini application. I'll just read this information to more understand. Then we have here what data is collected and how it's used. Then we have also here other things like how human reviewers improve Google AI. Then we have here how Gemini application activity works with other services and settings. Then we have here additional data handling as your device assistant. Then we have Gemini gets help from Google Assistant, speaking to Gemini, have teams of services, and you click over Gemini. Alright, so this is right now, and you have just to click over continue, and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have hello to improve Google AI for everyone. Reviewers with some shots. You can manage these settings. In the left we have here various options that could help you guys. So all I have to do right now is just to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management, and synthetics your Google Calendar to keep track of appointments and deadlines. You can also manage emails, draw email, Gmail, and create tasks that synthetics with Google Tasks. Finally, explore automation features and training resources to optimize your workflow. So I will show you how you can get started. So all I have to do right now is just go to the settings, and you click over settings. We have your public links. If you want to adjust the dark theme, as you can see, I think is the very best one. Then you will just click over extensions, and here we have extend your reach. Gemini's extension can now access information from YouTube, maps, flight, and hotels to save time create. Then we have here get more done with your stuff. With your permission, Gemini can use Gmail, Docs, and Drive to find or summarize your email content and help you stay ahead of it all. Then we have also here this connect Google Workspace. As you can see, to complete your request, Gemini will access and manage items from Google Workspace like your emails and documents. You have share parts of your conversation and other relevant info with Google Workspace, which may be used to improve its service. You have just to click over here to more understand, and you click over connect, and here we have your extension are ready to go. So let's go. So we have here various things that you have to know. For example, turn Gemini extension on or off time. Then we have here one conversation mini extension. You have just read this information. You have here Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. And also we have it the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff, and that's it for this one. If you want to more understand, you click over to learn more. We have various things like Google Workspace, Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube, and YouTube Music. We have here three options. For example, about Google Workspace, we have here Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. As you can see, we have find, summarize, and get quick info from your content in Gmail, Documents, Drive, and more. Then we have also here Google Maps. Tap into location-based information to bring your plans to life. Then we have here YouTube as well. Discover YouTube videos and get answers about them. So I just show you right now how you can get started with this trick one, because this is the one I will do. Right, then we have also Google Flights and Google Hotels. You can or YouTube Music, or you can just add another applications if you want. All right. So let's just come back to the new shot right now. So all I have to do right now is just give an example. For example, let's just select in here Google Calendar, for example, and we have here to select folders, that I have. And as you can see, we have the folders that we have. So we have here, I couldn't find any Google Calendar folders in your Google account. All right, so let's just give another example. So in Google Calendar we don't have any folders right now. Let's just go to the Gmail and right here in red, emails, then we'll click over enter and let's wait for it. And you'll find here we have 4 in-read emails in your Gmail inbox. As you can see, we have new devices using your account from Gemini. Make your link tree or something like that. Then I will just here search for other things. All right. Or you can also here use other one, which is here we have also. For example, if we go here, we'll find here Google Workspace. You can also use Google Docs or Google Drive. For example, Google Drive to find your folder, or you can just respond for something, or Google Keeps as well. Then if you scroll down, find here YouTube. If you just want to search for that video that get more views or bad likes or bad comments, or also here we have Google Maps. If you want to search for location, you can just search right now, right? As you can see, and this is how it works with Gemini. You can also try here Gemini Advanced if you want, and you have just to click over start right like that, trial, and you get started. Also we have here switch to Gemini if you want. Also we have here option if you want to add folder, if you want to just start and recording, and also if you want to help here such as privacy help, updates, help, fake about Gemini Advanced. Then we have also here if you want to hear Gemini application activities, as you can see. And also we have here, for example, Gym Manager. You can just get started with that. You can just click over new chat to get started again, and this is how it works with this one. So integrating Gemini with Google Workspace can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining document management, calendar synchronization, and task organization. While leveraging these tools together, you can create a more efficient workflow, improve collaboration, and automate routine tasks. Embracing this integration will help you maximize your use of both platforms, ultimately leading to better time management and enhanced project outcomes. So this is how it works with Gemini. You can just get started and you click over extension, then you have just to click over here and you click over continue, connect, and you click over let's go, and you select, for example, the one you want, or you select add template, for example Google Workspace, and you click over connect. Also we have here Google Maps, YouTube Music, as I said, and you can just come back here and you start a new chat, as you can see, and you have just to ask whatever you want. For example, if you don't know how many folder you have, how many email in read email, and you can just get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.